Imagine a world where your goals are within reach, where your dreams are no longer just dreams. Welcome to your Midday Motivation Minute, where we fuel your ambition. Consider this: every great athlete, every successful entrepreneur, every master of their craft started somewhere. They began with a single step, a spark of determination. And so can you. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, a chance to grow stronger, to become better. Remember, failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. Take a deep breath, feel the energy coursing through you. This is your moment, your time to shine. No goal is too far, no dream is too big. Believe in yourself, for you hold the power to shape your destiny. The journey may be tough, but the reward is worth it. This has been your Midday Motivation Minute. Keep pushing, keep striving, and remember, greatness awaits you.